DIY is an Aloe Acne Gel. Acne can be caused by so many things. Stress, certain types of medications, hormones, sweating, even something rubbing against your skin, like hair. What doesn't cause acne? This is a simple DIY that really helps get rid of any acne you may have. We'll start with 3 tablespoons of the Greenleaf Naturals Aloe Vera Gel. Here's what I love about this. It is organically grown in the US. Aloe helps with wound healing, it's anti-inflammatory, and it kills the bacteria that causes acne. It's moisturizing, so it won't completely dry out your skin. Then we're gonna add 4 drops of lavender oil. Lavender oil is antifungal, it actually renews skin cells. Then 4 drops of tea tree oil. We use tea tree oil because it disinfects and soothes, protects wounds from infection. And last, 4 drops of cinnamon oil. Cinnamon oil actually regulates oil production and helps exfoliate dead skin cells. Just mix this all together. What I love about this is it's a set it and forget it. We just take a little bit of this, dab it on any acne spots we may have. Let it soak in, hoping this brings you clear and happy skin.